scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Barium salts can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. We need to find how many beakers will actually form a solid precipitate today. Mixing equal volumes of these solutions means we must cut our initial concentrations in half. Our barium ions drop to 10 to the negative fourth power molar in the final mixture. Next, we calculate the reaction quotient Q for each salt. We compare this value to the solubility product constant KSP to see if the solution is supersaturated enough to precipitate. Only barium chromate has a Q value exceeding its KSP. This means only one beaker forms a precipitate, making option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.